Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Isabel, the owner of Sanity in Chagrin Falls. I was supposed to go on yesterday, but we were jam-packed with new arrivals, so we had to get them all out. So I am coming on here today to show you all of our new goodies, and also I'm hoping that you can join us this Friday from 4 to 8. We have our summer kickoff party. We're calling the Pop Party because we have these awesome popsicles. If you guys have not tried them, they're Pop Culture Cleveland popsicles. They are handmade, all custom flavors. They are unbelievable. So we have boozy, we have non-boozy. We're gonna be putting some in Prosecco. I mean, it's perfect to kick off summer. And then the store is jam-packed with summer items, some that I'm gonna show you here today. We are also gonna have Zoya. Our rep from Zoya will be here doing awesome hand treatments, so that's always a special treat. And we're going to be donating 20% back to the American Cancer Society in memory of my mom who passed from cancer in 2012. So definitely come out. It's going to be a fun night. We're going to be here until 8 o'clock on Friday, so definitely come and join us. We always know how to throw a good party, and if you guys have been here before, I'm sure you know that. So, all right, store's jam-packed, new arrivals. We have rompers, jumpsuits, bodysuits, shorts. I mean, name it, we have it. We have been nonstop unpacking new items. Lots of tie-dye. I'm definitely seeing some leopard, like the jumpsuit I'm wearing, which is so cute. I was like this close to repeating it today, and I'm like, okay, no, Isabel, like you should probably wear something else. But I brought it with me because I wanted to show you guys what it looked like on. It is so comfortable too. I love that it has the pockets. So let me before I keep going for you guys. This is the Bobby strapless jumpsuit. This one is on the website. We do still have some flash sale items left, so check them out, sanitystyle.com. What I did for you guys too was I actually made a separate little flash sale section so you can click on it and see all the flash sale items, because we're hoping that we're going to be able to have more than 2 or 3 at a time. So like 4 or 5 maybe eventually, like we did the $6.50 sale. So I added a little flash sale area for you, so it'll be super easy to find those flash sale items. So new items on the website and in the store. This is the Bobby jumpsuit, and as you can see, it is a really lightweight waffle knit. We're seeing a ton of this lightweight waffle knit for summer. I mean, believe it or not, but it's lightweight. So waffle, you usually think fall and winter, but we're definitely seeing a lot of it for summer. Has great pockets, a really nice kind of jogger bottom. It is so insanely comfortable too. But I love it because yesterday I wore it with a pair of slides, a pair of sandals, and probably this weekend or next I'm gonna wear it with a wedge. I mean, that's the greatest part about it, is you can really dress it up or down. So this is super cute for 4th of July coming up, because you know what, it's gonna be here before we know it. This is the Adina Star Tank, and it's in this really lightweight knit material. Super cute stars on there. I love the racer back too. Throw a little bralette under. You are gonna be in love with this. And so perfect for the 4th of July and really any time. Even come fall, throw it under a jean jacket. It's gonna be so cute. The next one, oh my God, as soon as the girls unpack this, they're like, all right, Isabel's gonna want this. And believe me, I am gonna be trying it on for you later on the story. So this is the, let me see. This is the Sassy leopard print romper, and it's an overall romper, has great little button detail, and look at that back. The back is kind of open. Just wear it with a black t-shirt under or a black tube top under, and you're done. That's what I love about rompers and jumpsuits and all of these great one-piece outfits, because you don't have to think so hard about what you're pairing it with. So all you need here is either a black or a white t-shirt or cute tube top under. So that is the Sassy. This one is, I believe, on the website. I'll have to double check. But anything you see on here that I'm showing you, just give us a call or email. We'll get it right out to you, and shipping is free, so we make it super easy. All right, so I love sets. I love sweat sets. I think there's like nothing cuter. So this is the Quinn Zebra bottom, and it's a sweatpant with great distressing on it. If you guys watched the live video on Monday, I kind of showed you a little bit of a sneak peek of these. So this is the Quinn bottoms. And then we also have a Quinn matching top. Look at that cute charcoal zebra. I just love it. The next one is the Laura leopard top. This one is a little bit oversized, but it's really nice because you can either rough tuck it, you can knot it. Super cute. And you guys know I'm a leopard girl. I love all the leopard. But it's really nice because it's a really lightweight knit too. Super flattering arm, not too short, not too long. It's like that perfect in between. So that is the Laura. The next one I have for you is a great snake print. We're seeing a ton of the snake print. It's the Janelle twist back snake print top. Look at that great twist back and on the back, and has this great cutout opening, and it is really, really soft too. So if you guys have felt some of our like really soft fabrics this year, this is one of them. It's just so soft to the touch. And it's really nice because it's almost a charcoaly with hints of a brown in there, so it's so super neutral that you can wear it with almost anything. I'm gonna save the tie-dye for a little bit later. I'll do this one first. So this is the Riva. The Riva striped top has a great little ruffled sleeve, really nice length on there too. It is a little oversized. It's a really lightweight linen-y fabric, which we're totally loving. Super lightweight for when temps really start to rise. I mean, this is gonna be awesome. And it's a navy and white, so it kind of has that like nautical feel. So this one is so super cute. This is the Mason strapless jumpsuit, and it has pockets, which is awesome. And it just ties in the back, has a nice wide leg. So hard to see what it looks like on, but go check out the website, sanitystyle.com. This is all on there so you can see what it looks like on. So this is the Mason. Really, really super flattering on. And it has a little tie on the leg too, and it just splits. So fun. We're seeing so much tie-dye for the summer. I mean, definitely more so this summer than like any other summer. So this is the Reese tie strap dress, and we love the tie straps because no matter what height you are, no matter how big on top you are, small on, whatever, it's adjustable. So you can really adjust it to whatever length you need. And it's nice that you don't have to deal with like one of those straps where you have to like take the little piece and adjust it to just where you want it. You can tie this. I love the little fringes too. And it is a double layer too, so you're not gonna have any show through, but I'm definitely loving this from pool to out. I mean, you can do this all summer long. That'll be cute for 4th of July too. So I have two of the Giada ombre tank. So I have this in two different colors. I have it in this beautiful coral, it has this great tie at the bottom, and then I also have it in this blue color. Look at all those pretty colors in there. And this is just the perfect summer tank. Throw it on with a pair of white shorts, or jean shorts, or a pair of jeans, white jeans, you're done. It's one of those like grab it and go. It's just super easy, it's super cute too. So I have the Carmen, which is really cute too. It has the cutout shoulders, a little bit oversized, but not too oversized. And then I have it in two colors. I have it in the black, and I also have it in this beautiful burgundy. So this is the Carmen. This one is on the website also. We're gonna be posting all these on the story too, so you guys can see. I believe Maya's working on it. She's in the process. So the next one is the Kimber tie-dye tank. And the Kimber, so Willow does this really funny thing where she brushes up against people's legs and like freaks them out. She does it to me all the time. It is so funny. Let me turn this down a little. There we go. Okay, so the Kimber comes in two colors also. We have the black and also the burgundy. And then it has this great little knot at the bottom. It has this great little gathering, so flattering. I love it. And it has a little cutout in the back too. So this one's so cute, just on its own or layer it. I love this one. And it's really soft too. It's a really soft jersey material. The next one is the Whitney tie-dye romper. We have this great little romper for you. You guys know I'm a big fan of rompers and jumpsuits. Has great little pockets, and it's just super easy. It's a little bit of a wider neck, so it goes like right about to here, and it's just one of those throw on and go pieces. I love that. So that is the Whitney. The next one, this is so pretty. We actually paired this with a white bralette earlier and had the bralette kind of sticking out a little bit and out the back, and it just looks so cute on. This is the Andy open back romper. Pockets again in that really soft jersey fabric, and has this great little knot on the back. So cute. One last one for the tie-dye. We have an off-the-shoulder, the Livingston. And Livingston is just a really cute, perfect for summer tie-dye top. Goes off the shoulder, ties at the bottom, really soft. I mean, you're gonna love wearing this all summer long. So this is the Livingston. And then I'm gonna move on to the leopard or the snake print. This is the Eden snake print jumpsuit. Pockets, I mean, we are all about the pockets. Could you not tell? We love the pockets. So this is the Eden jumpsuit. It's in that really soft fabric, just like this top that I showed you before. This is, let's see, this is the Janelle twist back, and the Eden is the same fabric and really soft to the touch. So when you put it on, you're not gonna feel like you're like weighted down by your clothes. So the Eden too has a wider leg, so it's a wider cropped leg. So cute. So the fun part is you have this little tie, but what you can do is if you have a wider belt, you can actually put the wider belt on and just hide the tie. I mean, it's perfect. You really take it to like so many different looks. This one is so beautiful on, you guys. I can't even describe to you just how pretty it is on. It's the Aubrey jumpsuit. This one you have to go on and see it on the website. It is stunning. Everyone that has put it on too has absolutely loved the fabric, loved the look of it. It's a wide leg, has a great little split at the bottom too, great little tie, adjustable straps. I mean, this just does absolutely nothing for it. You guys have to see what it looks like on. It is unbelievable, and it feels good on too. So if you're a midi dress fan, this is the Renee camo midi dress. I mean, come on, they took camo and they paired it in a midi dress. Like, what's better than that? So this is the Renee camo midi dress. Has a great little slit on the side, super flattering, just a great A-line shape. I mean, it is so perfect for the summer. Even under a jean jacket, it's gonna look so cute. And this is the last of my rompers. This is such a sad moment. It's the last one. This is the Layla. The Layla is a great V-neck romper in that really nice jersey material. Has the sleeves that are cuffed a little bit, great pockets, and a great little detail in the back too. Super simple, super easy. We paired it with the hat yesterday for a picture. Looks so adorable together and just so like easy and classic. And it's a black romper. I mean, you're gonna have it for years to come. I mean, I have black rompers in my closet that I have had for probably 6-ish years that I still wear because it's something that never goes out of style. We have a couple great bodysuits for you too. This is the Josie polka dot bodysuit. Really nice, goes straight across, super soft too, black and white polka dots, perfect for the summer. Wear it with a high-rise jean or a short, or even under all the overalls. They look so, so cute. This is the Skylar halter bodysuit. I love all my girls here, but Willow's the best greeter. I mean, what can I say? Everyone gets so excited to see her. It's so cute. You guys will have to stop in and see her if you haven't recently. So this is the Skylar bodysuit, black and white leopard print. You know, I'm gonna be a huge fan of this one. I'll have to do a try-on session with this one too. So that's the Skylar. Loving this one. I have this one in 2 different colors. Let's see. Where's my tags? Oh, here we go. This is the Logan bodysuit. Logan bodysuit comes in 2 different colors. We have the orange, and we also have the minty green. Has a great little cutout on the side too. Super cute for the summer. This one is so fun too. This is the Lydia tie back tank. It's kind of hard to see what it looks like, but in the back it just ties and kind of crisscrosses, and it's in this really pretty neon snake print. So that's the Lydia. This next one that I have is the Lotus ruche top, and it's just a tube top with ruching. We also have a little ruffle at the top and a little tie. Fun part about the tie too is you can actually crisscross it and tie it behind your neck, so it really just gives you a little bit of a different look. So that is the, what did I say? Are you guys paying attention? This is the Lotus. I have a set also. Let's see, Heather, back of the Logan. Let's see, where's the Logan? Here you go, Heather. That's the back of it. So it's just cut out right here. So you can probably still wear a bra with it, which is nice too. So it's really just the back that's cut out. And then we have one set. This is the Hazel snake print set. That's the top. And we have this great flowy bottom. You can pair it together, you can do it separate, honestly, whichever you want to do. So let's see, and that's the Hazel bottom. So you can buy them separately, you don't have to do them together. Really pretty though. It's a really lightweight kind of sheer chiffon fabric, which is really nice. Really nice and like airy and flowy. And last but not least, we have the Teo. This is the Teo snake print skirt in this awesome aqua color. It's a high rise, so cute. All you have to do is just pair it with a bodysuit or a black tee and you're done. We actually just got this bodysuit too. This is the Monica deep V bodysuit. Look how perfect of an outfit that is. And so easy. Throw it on with a sandal. You can do it with a wedge. I mean, the options are endless, or even a cute little sneaker will be so awesome with this. Last but not least, okay, I have the Serenity tie front top. And look at that print. Look how cute that is. It's almost like a blushy pink in there. And it has this great little tie. You can wear it untied, you can wear it tied, you can wear it over something, you can wear it with nothing. I mean, whatever you want to do, options are endless for you. So that is the Serenity. So that is all I have for you guys. I had a lot, right? So I hope to see you Friday from 4 to 8. It's going to be a great event. We're going to have so much fun. We're just kind of switching up the store a little bit here. So definitely come in and see it. And if you're not signed up for emails, make sure you sign up. Tuesday is Flash Sale Tuesday, so 7 a.m. emails go out. Hopefully you guys got first dibs. If you ordered the charcoal leggings for this week's flash sale, we are getting more in. We sold out of them a lot faster than we thought we would. So if you want them, just give us a call and we will set them aside for you as soon as they come in. It's the camo one size legging in charcoal. So they're on the website. So we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.